Russell fam, it is time for my week 5 intermittent fasting update. I'll be back in just a second. We are currently on vacation at Orange Beach, so I am here to give you my week 5 update. It's going to be short, but I did want to answer some questions that were sent to me. My update for this week is I am down 2 more pounds, so that is a total of 15 pounds that I am down for 5 weeks. And the question I was asked is, do you have to do the keto diet along with intermittent fasting? You don't have to do them together, but it just helps with your weight loss journey that you're doing, because with intermittent fasting, you are burning fat. So that is the whole purpose of doing intermittent fasting, is to burn fat. Well, if you eat a lot of carbs or eat a higher percentage of carbs, your body will burn the glycogen that is built up instead of actually burning your fat. So that is why I choose to do keto and intermittent fasting together to help lose more weight. Okay, so that is why I choose to do both keto and intermittent fasting. It doesn't work for everyone, but it has seemed to be working well for me, so I'm going to continue doing it. Like I said, we are currently on vacation, so it is going to be interesting to see how I can keep up with doing this intermittent fasting and keto on vacation, because I love going to certain restaurants and getting certain foods because I don't get them all the time. So I'm just going to have to see how it goes, and we will see how much weight I have lose or have gained in our week 6 update. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you understand now why I am doing keto and intermittent fasting together. So have a great day. It's sunny and 65 here in Orange Beach. So bye.